Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be pretty much doing a silk press. So this is probably the first time in 2 years since I did my big chop that I've decided to just do a silk press on my hair. So I will be doing a silk press and also pretty much like a length check pretty much. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys what I'll be using. So the shampoo and conditioner that I will be using today is from Assalaxx. I think that's the brand. So I literally just went on Amazon and got shampoo and conditioner, and I also saw this with someone. I also saw this in someone's video when they were doing their silk press. I saw that they use this and I realized that it has like avocado and certain ingredients that I love. So it is the Aussie or Aussie, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it properly, Miracle Volume Shampoo and Conditioner. So what I'm doing right now is just pretty much using the shampoo. I don't really like shampoos like that, to be honest, because I feel like it dries out my hair. But because it's been a long time since I've actually like shampooed my hair, so I decided that, you know what, I might as well go in and do like a full treatment on my hair. So yeah, after using my shampoo, I think I went in with the shampoo 2 times, and then now I'm pretty much putting the conditioner in my hair. And guys, I'm gonna be at the end of the video, I'll be putting the picture of my hair to show you guys what it looks like when I did the big chop and how far it has came. A tip that I use, or a tip that I do, or not do, but a tip that I could give you guys, yeah. So a tip that I could give you guys is pretty much just to leave your hair. I haven't like did all of this in my hair in probably like 2 years. I will take up my hair, wash it, condition it, and then braid it. Like, I don't really do anything to it. I don't really deep condition it like that, to be honest. I just oil it. So what I do on a regular is oil my hair. So every time I switch out my wigs, I will oil my hair, oil the front part of my hair as well, because I don't want my baby hairs to like, I don't want to be bald in the front of my hair. So yeah, that's what I pretty much do. Oil. So right now I'm going in with the same brand, Aussie deep conditioner, and it's for dry hair repair. Like, it helps to repair your hair. And it has avocado and jojoba oil. And I went in with this, put it in my hair, and I use this the steamer that I got from Hairline Accessories. That's what they're called on Instagram. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. But yeah, that's the name of this brand, and I just left it on for I think 10 minutes. It says to leave the conditioner in your hair for 3 minutes, but I did it for 10, and this is how my hair is looking. Like, look how, like, it looks healthy. It looks healthy. And then I washed it out, and then I went back in with, I went back in with the John Frieda Detox Repair Mask, and that's what I put in my hair. So just me washing out the deep conditioner, and then I went in with the mask, and it's for dry, stressed, and damaged hair. My hair is very stressed from braids. So that's what I did, and I left it in my head, steamed it, and I left it on for the next 10 minutes. And the last product that I use in my hair for washing is the Joico K-Pop Color Therapy Instant Shine and Repair Treatment. So this is pretty much for colored hair. I didn't realize that this was the one that I got. It was after I got it, I was looking at it and I'm like, this was actually for colored hair. But it locks moisture in your hair, so it gives like an instant shine and repair. It's pretty much instant shine and repair treatment, but it's mostly for colored hair. I use it still because at the end of the day, that's what I bought, so I'm not gonna just waste it. I used it. So that's the last thing I did before I went in and oiling my hair. And this is pretty much me going in. So like on my hair, this is my hair like half dried or whatever. So these oils that I'm using, it's from Bask and Lather Co on Instagram. I got their, they have like a seal bundle deal that I got. So it comes with an oil to put in your scalp, then a hair scalp and balm oil, then it comes with a hair mist, and then almost like a hot oil treatment. And they pretty much have ingredients such as the jojoba oil, the avocado, peppermint oil, lavender, a bunch of different natural oils. I will be putting the name on the screen, so if you guys want to go check that out, then you can go ahead. But it's pretty much, I pretty much use everything from their line to put in my hair. For right here, the only thing that I'm doing is just putting in some heat protectant oil on my hair. You don't have to use a specific one. I just got like one that I had from the beauty supply store. It's nothing special. Any heat protectant oil can be used. So that's what I put on my hair before I go in with this blow dryer and blow dried my hair, almost to get it kind of straight before actually really straightening it, and to dry it fully as well. So that's what I did. And this blow dryer, you can get it from Amazon. I will link everything down in the description box. So the products that I use, that's from Amazon. I will be putting that down in the description box as well. And I'll just add the website for the Bask and Lather company. It's not sponsored by them or anything, but I will just put it down so you guys can actually buy it if you guys want. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right now, just adding some heat protectant on my hair and then going in with my blow dryer to further dry it. And then I pretty much just go in with my heat protectant spray, and I think the, what is it called again, Beyond the Zone heat protectant spray. I just sprayed it on my hair again and went in with my straightener, and that's pretty much all I did. And yeah, you guys will see the result just now, but I'm gonna let you guys watch until we get to that.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given. Oh my, I'm drowning in you crystallize. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see standing right off the bat. So you learn me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it.
And guys, this is my hair pretty much dried. I really thought after like straightening it, it would have had more body, but someone told me, well, I should have known that, like, because I put so much oils in it, that's why it kind of weighed it down a little bit. But yeah, I really thought it was gonna be more flowy, no lie. But I guess next time when I'm doing it, I'll probably eliminate one of the oil process. But for me, I didn't want to leave it dry, and then when I leave it dried, then like when it's too dry, then I get breakage on my hair. I don't want that. Also, I don't know if it's from like the hot comb, but I swear there's like a bald spot in the middle of my head, like right there. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's not big, but I'm wondering if it's because of like the hot comb from when I do like middle parts and stuff from my wigs. I don't know, because the thing is, I'm not sure, because I swear I had this bald spot once before when I was still going to school, and I wasn't wearing wigs like that. So I don't know what could have caused that. If you guys know, let me know in the description box. But yeah, this is pretty much the length of my hair right now. I think it's pretty much at my breast, or like under, like right at my breast, I think, or under my breast, one of them, but it's somewhere to the breast right there, without like stretching. And then with it stretch, it's like pretty much under my, like right at my breast. Yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead and straighten this hair. is how it came out. Honestly, my hair grew a lot. Like for 2 years it actually grew. Because remember I did the ball chop, not the ball chop, but remember I did the big chop. I'll probably put it somewhere on the screen, somewhere, to show you guys, like, you know, how it looked when I actually cut it. So yeah, it actually grew, but my hair is very thin. Like it only looks thick, especially in its natural state, but it's very thin. I don't like that. Okay, I don't know, maybe somebody could tell me what to do to get my hair thick and like flowy. The only time my hair was actually flowy was when I permed it. This was probably like in grade 8. I permed it and I cut it to right here. That was my only time when my hair was like full and thick and nice. But yeah, my hair is not thick at all, so I didn't expect it to be like, you know, but it grew for sure. One thing for sure, it actually grew. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna style it tomorrow. I'm just gonna leave it like this for tonight. I'm probably just gonna wrap it just like how you would do, like if you're supposed to perm your hair, you know, you just wrap it and put the scarf around it. I'm gonna do that until tomorrow. Again, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it, but definitely need some tape ins for sure. If I had some tape ins right now, baby. But yeah, if I end up like dressing up tomorrow and styling it, then I'll probably come back on camera and show you guys. But for now, this is the end. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.